Morning, family. This is Ham's Loft. Assalamu alaikum. Morning to all the subscribers, all the people who watch my channel. I appreciate you. This is Saturday morning, about 7 in the morning. It's about 50 degrees. Let's go show you what we got going on. You can see the sun getting ready to rise over the horizon right there. So that's rising from the east, of course. I moved the pen from over here to over there on the big bird section. You can see they're all outside. I put bath out there. I didn't move it to the middle pen yet. I put a bath water in there, and I got to put a bath right here. Hold on one second. Okay, we got the bath right there. Okay, first let me apologize for my last video. I didn't realize it kept jumping around, so let me apologize to everybody for the last video. I used my phone and I'm trying to get a little bit better. But I'm gonna probably take that video down because it just blew me around. When I looked at it, it didn't show. It didn't show the exact same thing that y'all seen. It seemed like it jumped around a little bit, but okay. It's my birds right here. This is my first pen. There's 34 birds in there. And we're gonna see what they do. This is their first day out. I did not feed them yesterday, which was Thursday. Yesterday, which was Thursday, I didn't feed them yesterday, and well, yesterday was Friday, I'm sorry, I didn't feed them Friday, and I gave them a little bit of stuff on Thursday. Looked around for hawks already. Let's see what they're doing. The poles that's standing out there, if you look at them, those are what I put in once I take the breeding sections out. I put these poles in there. We got two. Well, we got one. Yeah. I don't know where oh, here you go. Two of them just took off flying. They're young birds too. So let's just see what these other ones. I'm not gonna chase. I left the trap open, and I'm gonna just see what they do. I'll keep the video running for at least about a minute. Got another one took off in the air. Oh wow. Got 3 flying already. Ain't that something? 3 flying together. We got about, I think it's about 7 in the air. They got the first one that runs in the tree. One that hit the screen. You know, the wife ain't gonna be too happy with that one. But that's what we got going on. Since I can't really edit the film, I'm gonna just hit pause and then bring out some more footage in a minute. Okay. Hopefully I won't mess this one up. Okay, I got 3 of them just flying around over there. And I got tree huggers up in the trees somewhere. I didn't chase nobody. I gotta ban a few birds. Got a few more right there. Put a water out there so that they can definitely be taking a bath. All right, got one on the roof. But I think they'll come out and eventually. All right, we'll go back to them in just a minute. Just don't want to screw up the recording. And still got the sun out. We got quite a few of them out right here. One right there. I think we still got one on the roof. And it's a few flying around out here.